bag on so we can go to school.
You want to leave your bag on?
Yes, I can go to school.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another preschool lesson, and today we are with the little Georgia. And Georgia, what are we drawing today?
Banana!
Banana! Are you excited?
Yeah!
Yeah, we are going to be using our easy painting pens or gel pens. These are really good for preschool lessons. You ready to go? Look, you're so excited. Hope you follow along. We're going to draw a nice yummy banana. Let's start, Georgia.
Yeah, I can know.
Oh, it doesn't fit on that side. You can put it down next to you. I'll put mine here. Alright, you ready?
Yeah!
Okay. We're going to draw the black outline and then we're going to color in the banana with all our yellow colors.
Okay.
Alright.
And then the yellow.
The yellow, that's right. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw a nice little curve.
No yellow.
Yeah, these are all yellows. We're going to use all of these yellow colors.
No, that's orange.
Yeah, that one's orange.
And that's...
It's like a dark yellow. Okay, you ready to draw a line?
Yeah.
Okay, so watch where I start. I'm going to start over here. So about here, and I'm going to just draw a curved line. So you can try your best to draw a nice curved line like this.
Show me.
Okay, here we go. I'm going to draw a curve. Like that. Can you do that? From this side. You can. Do you want me to give you a point?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to start here. And you're going to curve it up to there. See if you can join those two. Good job. That's it. And then at the top, we're going to draw a little curve like this. Just a little one. That's it. And back down. Very good. And then we're going to join this line down to near the bottom to there. Okay? So I'm going to show you. I'm going to draw a little point for mine too. And I'm going to draw a line that curves down like that. That's it. Yours is a straight banana. Mine's a curved one. Yours is a straight one. But still looks super yummy. You want to join that one? You can do it. That's it. A little bit more. You done it. Yeah, high five for that one. Good lines. Okay, now we're going to draw the banana peel or the banana skin. You ready?
On banana skin.
Skin, that's right. So we're going to draw two little curves like this. From that point there, we're going to draw a curve down to here. This one, we're going to start with this one. So watch me. I'm going to start here and draw a line down like that. Can you draw that? Yeah, you can do it that way. And then on here, we want to join it to there. So watch what I do. I'm going to join it to that point. There, very good. Amazing.
I want to color it.
All right, we just have to draw the skin part. So we're almost done. Then we're going to have lots to color in. So let's finish this one. I'm going to draw another curve. And this is the skin. Look here. I'm going to draw it over here. I'm going to draw a line like this. Can you draw that? Curving down to here. Good job. And then do a little curve at the bottom, like we did at the top, but now at the bottom here of this line. Little curve. That's it. Perfect. And then we're going to draw it coming back in. So to here. You can draw a line to there. Very good. And then we're going to draw another curve here. And from this point here. Very good. We're almost done. Is that fun? Good. All right, then we're going to curve it back to there.
When we
You already did
we'll do like that.
Yes, we'll do like that. And we're ready for the last step. You ready? Or it's the second last step. We're going to draw a line that comes down.
Where?
From here to there, about there. You just draw the best you can. Good job. And then we're going to draw the end of the banana. Okay. And then we're going to join it back up to the top. Yep. Back up to the top there. Yeah, up here. That's okay. There we go. And then I'm just going to draw one more little line.
Oh, this black, it matches.
It all matches. And that's how banana. You can draw one line here in the middle. Can you try to draw it in the middle? Kind of this line of mine. This line here. That's it. Ah, perfect. Good job. And maybe you can just draw a little one over there. That's it. All right, amazing banana. You ready to color it?
Yeah.
Alrighty, let's put our black pens back. Yep, we roll it up. Very good. Put our black pens back and let's do some coloring.
It's for me, Dad.
Alright, we're going to fast forward through our coloring and it's a banana, so we're going to be doing lots of yellows, but you can always pause if you need some time to catch up. Well done, you're ready to go. High five for your banana. Hey, do you like mine?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's color. Okay, this light color. Well, Georgia, we have done some super yummy bananas. What do you think? Is it good?
Yeah.
Does it look yummy? We're eating them. High five for you. Did an awesome job. Do you like my one?
Yeah.
Excellent work.
We eat this right part.
We eat this lighter part, don't we? What about this part?
No.
What's that?
Skin.
The skin or the
Nobody eats the skin.
Okay. I hope you followed along and enjoyed that lesson. I'm sure your bananas look super cute. What do we say to everyone? Bye everyone. Thanks for joining and we'll see you on the next video. If you liked our videos, click the thumbs up and we'll see you next time. Say bye-bye. Bye. High five you.